Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS fonts. Right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS font style. The font style property is mostly used to specify italic text. This property has three values: italic, oblique, and also the normal value. The text is shown normally if you specify normal value in front of it, and the text is shown in italics if you specify italic in front of the font style as a value, and the text is leaning if you specify oblique. Oblique is very similar to italic but less supported. So this font style property is mostly used to specify italic text. I don't know if you have been aware of italic, but in this chapter we are going to be talking about it in more details. So right here, as you can see, right here we are having different values which we can specify. I'm briefly showing you this just in case you don't want to wait to start using it. So in our next tutorial we are going to be using it so you can understand how it works in deep details. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day.